I keep choosing all these chief guests who are superstars and who are super thin, and then when they come on stage with me, I'm thinking, what am I doing? This is a bad plan. So we have one thing in common. She delivers blockbusters, and I was a blockbuster. As you can see there on the right, that's me. And since I'm in the business of confessions, I'll start this session by making a confession. I'm a serial dieter, and I've done 43 diets and workouts. But today, I have been defeated by Flurries. I confess that we have had 7 main courses and 4 desserts between the 3 of us. And I'm so glad to get that off my chest. So I was 103 kilos and now I'm 60 kilos. And I have to leave Calcutta and go tomorrow, otherwise I'll be back to 100 kilos very fast and writing that sequel sooner than expected. So I've been on this long journey and I've lost all my baggage, and I think now can the holidays start. But to tell you the truth, the holiday actually never starts. It's very hard work to stay happy weight. It's very hard to look like Koel. It is. And that's what I want Koel to talk about a little bit. What's her secret and how does she stay away from Flurries?
Very honestly speaking, I actually love eating, okay? I really love eating, and I actually, because of my shooting, I have to visit so many different places, beautiful places like Switzerland, and having the different cuisines is like is me, because I love eating, as I just mentioned. So, but then still, because of my work and thanks to my profession, it is one of the hazards of the profession that I have to resist. And even if I really want to dig into nice chocolate mousse, maybe, because I love chocolates. So then somewhere down there, somebody constantly tells me, no, you cannot have so much gold.
It's not your mother. I know that. I've spoken to her. It's not her. She wants you to eat the chocolate mousse.
Yes, exactly. Because she's always after me. And generally, like Bengali parents are, my parents, they feel that showering affection is that making her eat as much as possible. So that is one thing. So, but then, so as I just said that going to different places, and because of my profession and having different nice beautiful food, Italian food and great Thai food with different places.